This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with safety and surface prep. Park the bike on a stable stand, let the engine fully cool, and switch the key off. Next, rinse loose dirt with water and mild soap to avoid scratching. Use gentle pressure. Once done, dry the panel with a clean microfiber cloth and mask sensitive areas like vents and gauges. This first cleaning step removes contaminants so polish bonds properly and prevents trapped grit from damaging the finish. You now test and apply polish. Always try a small hidden patch to confirm compatibility and color match. Then, dispense a pea-sized amount onto a pad and spread evenly over a 2-foot section using slow circular motions. This ensures even abrasion and fills micro scratches. Make sure to work one panel at a time so the polish doesn't dry on edges. Once the product hazes, buff it off with a fresh microfiber, applying light pressure to reveal a uniform shine. You finish by inspecting the entire dashboard under bright light to catch missed dull spots. Reapply polish sparingly where needed and buff again. After polishing, seal the surface with a thin layer of wax or a ceramic topper to lock and shine and resist dust. If you encounter streaks or white residue, remove it with a 70% isopropyl wipe, then reapply a smaller amount of polish. This corrects product buildup without overworking the plastic or trim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.